thank you very much and congratulations. Your mates have to love you today.
I think it is true because I'm very impressed now. I think those guys know what I gave for them, because I gave my last % of energy for them for this match. I had very hard season in my team. I just continued to play for national team after finish my regular season. I'm really tired, but I gave my best. I think all of them they gave their best in that match. You saw it was so tough match. Australia was playing so good. It was very tight match. They had against same like Croatia, good players like a player like Exum. We tried to stop him, but he was incredible in this match. But we show again we are the team. We are not one player. We are the team. And maybe we look a little bit tired on the court, but we are human people, you know. We are tired. It's normally for men. It's normally for our body, because we played 8 matches. We lost only one game. We won every game, and we gave our 100% in every match. So I think this victory is one of the biggest in my career, and I think for them.
Yeah, definitely. It looked like first half was quite okay. You got to the basket, you covered them. Exum didn't score so much, but what happened in the second half where you almost didn't get to the basket? There were no fouls.
You know, I started very well, but in second half, their player number 8, he played so good defense on me. I want to say congratulations to him, because he stayed focused on me, and he played incredible defense.
Martin.
Yeah, Martin. Yeah. But you know, I said we are a team. We had many players who is creative in offensive. You saw Nikola Jankovic. He made incredible shots under the basket. The same is Nikola Jokic. But you know, yesterday I lost some important free throws. But I said my coach that I will give a.
It will not repeat.
I will make if I have again chance. So I made last 2.
But it happened again that you missed the first one in the end.
Yeah, but you know, it's game. I have confidence so much, but you know, I was tired. My concentration was not so good. But last 2 I made, and I want to say congratulations for my teammate Jovan Novak, who made 3 points. So I can't say anything more. I think it's one big victory for everybody.
I know you have to go, but last thing, what does it mean for your team to play the finals here, probably again against USA?
It means something special, you know. I think we did something for what nobody expected in Serbia, and only our team, our coaches and my teammates think that we will do that. So we made it, so we don't want to stop now. We want to show in the finals something better than last time when we played against USA.
Great. And why don't you have the names on your uniforms? Because I wanted to ask
we had problem when we came on World Championship with our bags. So one of our guys he didn't get his bag, so we have to play in like this.
That's nice. Thank you very much.